Dear students, principle of superposition ஓட derivation பார்க்கலாம். இந்த derivation chapter 1 ஓட first derivation கூட வச்சுக்கலாம். இப்போ நமக்கு first நம்மளுக்கு Coulomb's law தெரியும். It gives the force between two charges, 2-point charges. Okay. So suppose there are Q1, Q2 charges are there, and then this is the line joining them, and the force between them we can write it as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R12 whole cap. இது vector notationல நம்ம எழுதிருக்கிறதுனால we have to write R12 cap also. இப்போ இதே மாதிரி more than two charges இருக்கும்போது the force acting on one particular charge is the vector sum of all the forces on that charge. So அதுதான் நம்ம prove பண்ண போறோம். So for that first we have to draw a diagram. So எப்படி draw பண்ணணும்? First ஒரு line. இது வந்து reference frame. Okay, wow. So this is the origin of the frame. This is the x-axis and this is y-axis and this is z-axis. Now I'm going to take three charges. In your charge, let me call this as Q2. We'll call this as Q1 and I'll call another one as Q3. Now Q1, the position vector of Q1 is R1 vector. Position vector of Q2 is R2 vector. Position vector of Q3 is R3 vector. The force acting on Q1 due to Q2. இப்போ இந்த Q2 வந்து Q1 repel பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா it will act like this way. This is the direction of force on 1 due to 2. And இதே மாதிரி Q1 repel பண்ணுச்சு அப்படின்னா the force on Q1 due to Q3 will act this way. So we can write this as force on 1 due to 3. This is a vector. So there are two forces acting on this Q1 due to charges Q2 and Q3. இப்போ resultant vector இங்கே இருக்கும். So அது வந்து F1 vector. This is the total force acting on Q1 vector. This is what we are going to derive now. So first என்ன பண்ணணும்? We have to write force on 1 due to charge 2. இது எழுதும்போது 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R12 whole squared R12 cap. இப்போ இங்க R12 எங்க இருக்கு? The line joining Q1 and Q2. So this is R12 cap. Now write force on 1 due to 3. இது எழுதும்போது 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 divided by R13 squared R13 cap. Let this be equation 2. இங்க R13 எங்க இருக்கு? The line joining Q1 and Q3. So this will be R13 cap. இப்போ according to superposition principle, the total force acting on charge 1 is the F1, that can be written as is the vector sum of forces acting on charge 1. So what are the forces acting on charge 1? F12, F13. So rendu equation 1 and 2 la irukku. So we are just going to add it. Q1 Q2 divided by R12 whole squared R12 cap plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 divided by R13 squared R13 cap. இப்போ இது எழுதும்போது 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught வெளியில எடுத்துட்டு we can write this as Q1 கூட வெளியில எடுக்கலாம். So we can write this as Q2 divided by R12 squared R12 cap plus Q3 divided by R13 squared R13 cap. So this is the total force acting on charge 1. Suppose இதை விட நிறைய இங்கே வந்து 3 சார்ஜ் தான் இருக்குது, இதை விட நிறைய சார்ஜஸ் இருந்தால் we can write this as the force acting on charge 1 due to other charges, due to other n number of charges எழுதும்போது F1 vector equals 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So இதை எழுதுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி we can write first இப்படி எழுதிக்குவோம். Force on 1 due to 2 plus force on 1 due to 3 plus force on 1 due to 4, like that. It goes up to force on 1 due to nth charge. Now we can write the total force acting on F1 will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R12 squared R12 cap plus Q1 Q3 divided by R13 squared R13 cap plus Q1 Q4 divided by R14 squared R14 cap plus it goes up to F1n, that will be Q1 Qn divided by 1n squared R1n cap. This entire thing can be written as sum over F vector equals Q1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught sum over n runs from 2 to n Q n divided by R1n squared Q1i. Okay, you can write this as I runs from 2 to n. Okay, let us write this way. I runs from 2 to n, then it will become, here also it will be I. That's all. Thank you.